Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to split PDF pages into separate files. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. After opening your favorite web browser, click on the search bar. Then search for split PDF pages into files. Then click enter. After this, find the website named I Love PDF. Then click on it. Once the website is opened, click on Select PDF File. Then select PDF file from your File Explorer. Once you have selected the file, click on Open. Then click on Fixed Range. Then select how much pages a PDF should split into, like I am doing. After selecting, click on Split PDF. Then, click on Download Split PDF. It will start downloading. As you can see that the PDF is downloaded. They are converted into several PDFs. That's how you split pages into separate files. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.